Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually create this design here using Photoshop. What are we going to learn in this tutorial? We're going to learn how to create the backgrounds. We're going to learn how to manipulate some things right here and do a lot of things, photo editing and color grading and so many things right here. As you can see in this design, this is like the already design. All right, let me just I want to do something quickly. Let me just add a color balance to this. So since it's already in a blue background, let me just put this to the blue side. Let me pull it to the blue side, and then the yellow, I want to pull it to the blue side too. Can you see that? Yeah, I'm gonna have a perfect design already. So can you see? So yeah, this is what we're going to learn in this tutorial. Now I'm going to create a new file right now. So I'll click on my file and then click on new. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is to use this size. The width is 108 and the height is 1200. Resolution should be 300 RGB, and then click on the OK. Alright, so this is the size we're going to use. The resources is in the description box, so use the resources and follow me on my X page. You're going to see so many resources that are actually shared on my X page. Yes, that is my Twitter page. So this is the size we're going to use. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to get the background we're going to use for this. So I'll head over to my icons, to my design background. Then I've already saved it, and then I'll just write this. So this is the background we're going to be using. So this is the background we're going to use. So we pull it down and then place it right here. Okay, then after that, the next thing is to zoom it up and then place it just like so. Alright, can you see that? Alright, so then after this, the next thing is to get the text effect we're going to use. I want to create a text effect right now, but before creating a text effect, I'm going to edit this background. So for me to do this, I'll head over to my filter and then I'll click on my camera raw filter so that I can make sure that this background looks good. Alright, so this is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to increase my highlight to 10, and then increase my contrast to 8, and then after that I'll increase my clarity to 7, and then I will head over to my sharpening. I'll head over to my detail and then increase the sharpening to 11 and the noise reduction to 4. The reason why I did it this way is because I'm still going to edit the final editing. I'm still going to edit it again, so I don't want everything to be too much. Remember, in one of my X pages or X tutorials, something like that, I talk on color grading and all those things. So yeah, it's very important that you hit to that. So after editing the background, the next thing we're going to do is to get the text fill we're going to use for this. So I'll head over to my gallery, and then before then, let me just import all these necessary background I'm going to use for this. Let me just import these necessary things that I'm going to use here. So I'm going to reduce the size of this. Okay, and then after that I will head over and get some other resources that I'm going to use. One that is, yes, exactly, let me use this one right here. Alright, so I'll place it right here and then bam, it's inside, right? And then after that I will take it to this side. Alright, then what else do we need here? Okay, it's remaining one more resources, that is this star resources. Good, so I'm going to place it right here. Bam, it's inside. Alright, so let's remove the background for this. To remove your background, the next thing we're going to do is to click on select, click on subject. Alright, then wait for this to load. That is just the simplest way to remove your backgrounds right here in Photoshop. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping more things, more tips, more designs. After that, you click on your layer, add layer, click on it right here, and you go. It's going to remove, you can't see that transparent background again. So we're going to do the same thing for all this stuff right here. So I'm just going to fast forward the video right now. now after that, it's time to make it realistic, right? So I'm going to head over to I'm going to click on this ball right here, this ball something right here, and then I want to notice the difference between this. So increase the top, and then I would click on image, click on adjustments, and then color lookup. I'm going to change the feel of this. I want it to like blend in with this background that we have. So I'll click on Crips Winter. That is the first thing we're going to do right now. Then I'll also do the same to this star. Click on my image, adjustments, and color lookup, and then bam, I will then click on Crips Winter. Same thing goes with this door right here. Image, adjustments, color lookup, and then bam, Crips Winter. Good. Then after that, we are going to make all these things look realistic. That is this ball and then this statue right here. I don't know what it's called. Alright, then I'll head over to my eclipse and then my ellipse, then form a circle shape right here. And then after that, yes, obviously I'm going to give it a black color. I want to like place a shadow right here so that it will look real. Yeah, that is just basically what I'm going to do right here. So I'll click on my fill and then click on black color. I'll reduce the stroke to 0. Alright, and then after that I will then click on my filter and click on blur and click on Gaussian blur. Can you see? Click on convert to smart objects and then increase the size. Yeah, increase the size, or let's say reduce it. For me, I feel you should increase it. Yeah, exactly. I don't want it to be prominent like that. Yeah, so this is good. 8.0 is good. We are not yet done. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on Ctrl T so that I can be able to adjust it to the where I want. So click on Ctrl as you're clicking on that first box, that last box right there. When you click on it, like your cursor should be there. Then you click on Ctrl. Alright, so can you see that? Ctrl for you to be able to adjust it. So let me do that again. I'll click on this, click on Ctrl. Can you see? Alright, so this, that, exactly. This is what I mean. So I want it to be placed together. Good. Alright, then after that I'll click on my check mark and here we go. Can you see that it looks so real? Now after that I will click on Ctrl J, copy this and then place it same with what we have right here. Can you see that? So yeah, exactly. So then we are done with making all this look real and all. So I'm going to get the text effect. Let me increase the size. So the text effect is also in the description box, so use them for your own use. I downloaded many of them. They are actually in my X. Yeah, it's just like a Google Drive. So I downloaded everything. So let me go to, let me see, CHI. I can't remember what I used. Okay, so these are the text effects. You can see this 1, this 2, this 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I have many of them. I have many of them right here. But because of the tutorial, let me just use this. So I have many of them. I have many of them right here. Okay, so and yes, I'm going to use all this Photoshop for my social media designs for the brands I'm working with. So yeah, it won't go just like that. I'm going to use all of them very well. Yeah. So click on darken for you to blend it with the original background that we have. Then increase the size. Just like so, and then place it right here. Good. Then after that you can then let's just increase it a little bit. Yeah, so click on the check mark and then boom, you have it right here. So I'm going to write one more thing right here. So I'm going to write for other brands, that I'm working with. So I'm going to place this right here. Good. Can you see? So this is just like the simplest way of, it's very simple. Okay, I added another thing right here, right? So yeah, let me do that. We're already coming to an end. And alright, so I used Baybars for this. I use Baybars for this. I'm going to change it to the bold. Please, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on that subscribe button, guys. Let's reach 1,000 before January. I know we can do that. Yeah. Let's reach 1K followers and subscribers. Then increase the size. I'm going to change the color. Instead of using black, the frame is a brown color, so I'm going to use a lighter brown so that when I'll be blending it to look so real, like it's really inscripted on it. So yeah, so I'll click on this brown color, go to the white parts. Can you see? Good. So after that, I'll click on my OK, and then I'll head over to my blending tool and then choose the one that will blend successfully to this. You can just play with it, you can just play with what we have here. So I'm going to go with this particular one right here, vivid light. I'm going to use vivid light. Then you just place it in the middle. So this is just how you can create this design. It's not really hard. So thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers again before January. Thank you and I appreciate you. I will see you in the next video tutorial with another great content as usual.